India, under the lockdown phase, we are working from home, academics are on digital platform, and standstill economy is the essence right now in the pandemic COVID-19 era. So hereby warmly welcome you new phase of learning and where we will going to have one assessment, and that assessment is the supply chain management in business and how it's possible. एक टर्म है कॉमर्स जो बिजनेस का पार्ट है अपने आप में. Hereby again we have a symbol for discussing the nature and purpose of business in this time in pandemic COVID-19. One thing is on standstill, but it prevails us with the essence of life and livelihood. बदलते भारत का एक लॉकडाउन में फेज और उस फेज में एक ऐसी फैसिलिटीज़ की अवेलेबिलिटी जिसने सप्लाई को नहीं बिगड़ने दिया, जिसने पेंडेमिक में एम्प्लॉयमेंट को कम नहीं होने दिया, दैट इज सेड टू बी द कॉमर्स. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस इट. द टर्म कॉमर्स means goods are produced, the services have to be rendered, and it is with producer and they are looking for the consumer or the user. So the connecting point, a medium of exchange, एक स्रोत जो आपको आपकी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें पहुंचाए और एक ऐसा स्रोत ला कर दे जो आपके पास अवेलेबल है वो उस तक पहुंच जाए जिसको उसकी नीड है. It is a connecting point. It is an exchanging point of facilities for the commodities that have already produced, the services, and these are related to the terms of goods and service, distribution and exchange. Goods are produced anywhere in the world but can reach to the ultimate user with the help of commerce, and commerce covers all those activity which helps in trade, and now we will check them out in the physical board class. Dear scholars, once again we have gathered, and this time it is for the topic and one of the extension of business studies class where we will discuss commerce. One term, commerce. It is considered to be actual word for thing that we will going to deliver delivery of service. Commerce is a delivery of service given अब why it is given. Now क्यों देते हैं हम कॉमर्स. कॉमर्स आपको क्या देती है? डिलीवरी ऑफ अ सर्विस विच इज अ फैसिलिटी. और आपको इस फैसिलिटी की रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों है? देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन व्हाई इट इज सो सिग्निफिकेंट टर्म इन बिजनेस स्टडीज. बिकॉज गुड्स हैव टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड or the service have to be rendered. Distributed or rendered. Rendered का मतलब किसी चीज को प्रोवाइड कराना. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का मतलब बांटना. ऑफ किस चीज को बांटेंगे और किस चीज को प्रोवाइड कराएंगे, दैट विल बी क्वेश्चन. सो वी विल गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट गुड्स एंड रेंडर सर्विसेस. सर्विसेज will be here. Basically कॉमर्स एक वर्ड है जो फैसिलिटेटेड है या कह सकते हैं फैसिलिटेट ओरिएंटेड है या फैसिलिटीज का समाप है टू प्रोवाइड द डिलीवरी ऑफ सर्विस, एंड दिस डिलीवरी ऑफ सर्विस is given for many purposes. The first purpose is for distributed goods. हमें सामान को प्रोड्यूसर से कंज्यूमर तक लेके जाना है या सर्विस को प्रोड्यूसर से कंज्यूमर तक लेके जाना है. देन वी नीड कॉमर्स. सो इन शॉर्ट टू से दैट डिलीवरी ऑफ सर्विस इज गिवन टू हैव कंज्यूमर and प्रोड्यूसर लिंक, हम कंज्यूमर और प्रोड्यूसर का लिंक क्रिएट कर देते हैं कॉमर्स में फैसिलिटीज देकर। फॉर डिलीवरी ऑफ सर्विस, हम कॉमर्स को फैसिलिटी दे रहे हैं, कॉमर्स के थ्रू एक फैसिलिटी दे रहे हैं कि ताकि आपका गुड्स सामान, जो सामान मैन्युफैक्चर्ड हुआ है या सर्विस आपने पहुंचानी है, वो किसके पास पहुंच जाए? कंज्यूमर के पास। और कहां से पहुंचनी चाहिए? प्रोड्यूसर के लिंक से। सो कॉमर्स इज द फैसिलिटी connection between producer and consumer. Production reaches to its ultimate destination to consumer with the help of commerce as it delivers facilities for the distribution of goods and services. So hereby we are concluding it for this session, and with a promise to see you again soon, I am concluding it here. Commerce is part of business, but it is further classified. Trade, exchange medium of goods and services, and auxiliaries to trade or aids to trade are the facilities which smoothen the function and helps down in the transferring of the commodities and service rendering. Dear scholars, once again I am writing the same term, and this time it's again the term of commerce. Earlier I told you that this word commerce means facility to business. So when we were going to give facility to business, so what kind of facilities business needed? So let's check it out. Business need facilities. So first facility which business need is your capital. First facility which business need is your capital, and that is also called finance. Capital and finance. So it needs one facility which is said to be banking. Then another which government need or business need. Government also runs sometimes business. That's why I use the word commerce वहाँ भी चाहिए होती है, because SAIL, BHEL, GAIL, Navratnas are still with the commerce industry, with business sectors. These are PSUs for government. The second thing which your business needed is facility of storage, storehouse, storage, and this facility is delivered by warehouses. And I said the one word, the most important word with business is this word said to be risk. Business is a huge risk orientated program which we used to see, and risk is insured. So insurance is here. Then also
YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hereby, I have shared PowerPoint presentation to physical connectivity of board classes to you. Even have shared one video of the news report where we are transporting the oxygen. This is also part of commerce because production of oxygen take place in few regions, but its exchange to the user have to reach everywhere. So it has a connectivity of supply from production to consumption, producer to consumer or ultimate user. So hereby we are concluding it with the physical classes, PowerPoint presentation and actual scenario. So see you again soon with some another topic. Hereby